Okay, good afternoon everyone. It's Kyle with Jones Landscape and Tractor. So today we're at our storage unit. We're winterizing some of our equipment. You can see we've got the tractor here and we've got all of our implements in here. But what I want to do is put all of these implements on portable moving dollies. That way I can shuffle them around when I need to. Just because I want to pack everything in here tight so I can get all of my equipment in here, all of my landscaping supplies, all of my vineyard consulting equipment. And so today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put all of these implements on those dollies. Okay, so this is the Land Pride RCF 2060 mower, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to lift up the mower. I'm going to put a dolly under each skid, so that way I can use the gauge wheel and then the dollies on each side of the mower to maneuver the mower around inside the storage unit if I don't have the tractor here for some reason. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys the idea. These are the 1,000-pound capacity dollies, the Milwaukee dollies. I've got one on this side under this skid, and one on this side under this skid. And I just want to be able to pull this mower around and maneuver it inside the storage unit without having the tractor here. You can see, obviously, now it's very easy to move it, and that was the goal. So now I can slide it this way or this way. Okay, so this is a perfect example of why I wanted to put the dollies underneath each piece of equipment. I need to get this box scraper out. My mower's in the way, the tiller's in the way, so I can't get the tractor back in here. Obviously, it would be ideal if I had a way larger storage unit or shop. That's not the case right now. So if I had these dollies underneath here, I'd just be able to slide this out to the edge of the roll-up door and hook the tractor right up to it. So right now I'm going to put the dollies under the box scraper as well, so I don't run into this problem again.